Carla, no? So, to what Carla was saying, in order to really develop grassroots sports, the number one barrier right now is really access to even have access to sports, right? So one of the key solutions that we have, or what we're trying to address right now with my home course, it's really getting more kids into sports, not just physically but also digitally. So that's exactly what home court is. So see home court from the Milo website, you're already able to access sports modules, that will help kids really get into specific sports. So for 2026, Milo launched home court, and with the help of Best Center. So Best Center is our sports partner, basketball sports partner. We were able to launch 12 modules, really showcasing the different basic skills and basic techniques that you need to learn basketball, no? And not just basketball from the courts, but really basketball from your home. So if you have a phone or if you have a laptop or tablet, no, and Wi-Fi, you're already able to learn basketball just from your screens, right? So it's really something now we really envision and we're really excited about to showcase and really share to you guys, no? And we also actually prepared a sample episode na we wanted to show, so maybe it's something that you guys will be able to appreciate better. No? So let's take a